This is your Santa Clarita Market Watch for day 289 of 2024. Good day, everybody. This is going to be your Valencia Santa Clarita update. I'm Connor with Honor. Let's get to the numbers and what's going on in the housing market. So coming soon listings, we have 8 properties that are getting ready to hit the market. Make sure you get on somebody's search. An agent has to set you up. Then you'll be able to see those coming soon listings. 81 new listings have entered the market in the last 7 days. 70 properties have had their prices changed. That number has been consistently higher than average, which is somewhere around 40 and 50. So we're watching as sellers are trying to adjust to the new market trends, meaning they're either overpriced or buyers aren't willing to pay as much as they had been in the past. Back on market properties, 26 homes have entered the market after being in escrow, which is also a pain point. Something to consider. A lot of the times this has nothing to do with what they've discovered in the property, but has to do with buyer financing. They've changed something. 42 properties have gone pending, 29 have gone active under contract, 50 properties sold this past 7 days, 3 have expired, 15 canceled, and 10 homes have been put on hold, 4 have been withdrawn. So that's going to bring us to all residential active inventory in Santa Clarita Valley cities to 547 listings. Now what I did is I took the Valencia active single family residence listings for sale and I put them into my number cruncher and got some information about the best value, price per square foot, and other things. But it is one of the most sought after neighborhoods within the Santa Clarita Valley. Valencia does offer diverse home styles, from the charming older homes of Northbridge and Old Orchard to the modern homes of West Creek and Tesoro de Valle. Whether you're looking for quiet suburban vibe or close proximity to great schools and parks, Valencia definitely has something for everyone. One interesting find today is in Belcaro, prestigious 55 plus gated community. There's a stunning single family home price just under $850,000. And they have resort-like amenities like clubhouse, swimming pool, pickleball courts, and more. And it does offer both luxury and comfort. Over in Valencia Hills, a property just hit the market featuring a new upgraded HVAC system, solar panels, custom designed pool. Definitely ideal for a growing family looking for both indoor and outdoor living space. I did a video yesterday for a buyer tip talking about signing things online. So that's going to be your buyer tip of the day. Before you sign any documents online, especially because it's so easy to click and move on, make sure you thoroughly read everything. Always take the time to understand what you're agreeing to. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement, but one click can commit you to terms you didn't expect. Never hesitate to ask your agent for clarification. That's it for today's update. For more information to see all the available listings, always head over to SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com. As always, feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need personalized advice. I want to show you Santa Clarita Open Houses and what's happening with the updates today, though, also. So let's get into here. We'll go to my website, SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com. And what I've done is I've left this system completely unlocked. So you can come, you can look for listings, you can do all the searching that you would like and see all of the information. But these are the current scheduled open house listings and everything current here in the Santa Clarita Valley currently. And I usually monitor this throughout the week. 21 have been posted. By the time we get closer to this weekend, there's going to be 160, 170, maybe even more open houses posted. I hope everybody's fantastic. Thank you so much for watching. When you're ready, reach out. I would love to have the opportunity to explain to you why I would be your best choice. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.